Okay, hello everyone. Today we compare and simulate two types of environment and different types of birds that can survive in each environment.
So we predict that in a jelly environment, the chopstick could be able to capture the most because of the stickiness of the texture of jellies. And for the M&M environment, we think that the spoon will capture the most because of the thickness of the surface.
So for the material, they are chopstick, toothpick, fork, and spoon. These are all representing type of bird, and M&M's and jelly representing of environment. And the last one is other material is plate, stopwatch, and cups.
For the procedure, we have 4 main steps. Step 1 is preparing the material by placing M&Ms and jellies on the plate. Second is record the time. Make sure you record the time when doing the experiment. Third is pick up the jellies. Use fork, chopstick, toothpick, or spoon to pick up the jellies to doing the experiment. The lastly is the repeat the process. You have to do it 3 times for more accurate answer. For the procedure,
And these are the results. The best material in the jelly environment is spoon, and the best material in an environment is also spoon.
In conclusion, so we have learned that there are many types of birds and they could live in the different type of environment. So the best type of bird that can survive in a jelly environment is the spoon bird, and same as the M&M's environment.
for evaluation, we can improve the experiment by attempting more than 3 attempts to make the results and data more accurate. For